long before erecting the steel beams of the Superior Court Tower, and prior to assembling the facility's courtroom. Contractors began recycling the project's construction waste. You see, there was once a parking garage where the court building now sits. During its demolition, project leaders came up with a plan to reduce and reuse several tons of surplus material.
And we didn't want any of that material to go to waste. And what they did is they took all of the concrete with the rebar and they took it to a plant where it separated the rebar and the concrete.
Concrete from the garage went to a City of Phoenix reclamation project, and the rebar was melted down for reuse. Of course, the recycling did not end there. Court tower contractors have been saving debris throughout the construction process.
Basically, it starts on every floor with each trade contractor.
Cardboard, wood, metal, gypsum board, and other material is being collected in carts on all 16 floors of the facility. Once those carts are full, laborers bring out the waste and sort it into material-specific dumpsters.
There's no increased cost. It takes the same amount of time to haul it out in one buggy and put it in one dumpster as it does to haul it out in two and put it into two different bins.
We actually save money on the recycling portion because we're able to recycle cheaper than we can dump trash.
Years ago, this discarded material would have gone to landfills. But as landfill capacity decreases and disposal regulations become more stringent, construction waste is being managed in a more sustainable fashion. Waste Management picks up more than a dozen full recycling dumpsters from the court tower site each week. The company then resorts the debris and ships it to the appropriate recycling facilities.
It's a reduce and reuse world that we live in, and we're very conscious of that.
It's kind of hard to comprehend how much waste is actually coming out of a project like this. To date, we've had somewhere around 30,000 tons come out of this project, and that's just wonderful to see so much not go into landfills.
The court tower team is keeping record of all of the recycled material coming out of the building. It will use the data to help achieve Silver LEED certification for the project. If 50% of the construction waste is recycled, the county could receive 1 credit toward the LEED certification. If they recycle 75% of the waste, they'll get 2 credits, but contractors have already surpassed that higher percentage.
Most projects, you're striving to get that 75%. It's not so easy to get that. But with this project we're close to 93, 94%. It's definitely much higher than the standard benchmark.
We're proud of that fact, and we're proud of the fact that the material that we bring into this site, 25% of our steel at a minimum is from recycled materials, and 10% of our drywall and shaft liner is from recycled material.
This project is extremely green, and it's nice to see so much diverted from the landfills, and actually a lot of the recycled content may end up back in this building, so it's a wonderful thing to see.